Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop here on Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cropping in Lucidchart refers to trimming or adjusting the visible areas of your canvas or shapes. While Lucidchart doesn't have a traditional crop tool for images or shapes like in other software that you may be familiar with, there are multiple ways we can achieve a similar results. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the home page and hover to the file that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file. Now, go to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to shapes. All right, for example, we're going to click a shape of maybe a square, or let me delete that. For example, this. If you wanted to crop this, for example, all right, all I have to do is hover down here. Let's say I wanted to crop the image right here. And then go to the document settings. And that's that. You were able to trim the part of an image using these shapes. Kind of like a masking, all right? So that's one way. Another option that you can do is let me undo that right now. Right. So for example, same picture right here. For example, this. All right. So I wanted to bring the items forward, and then I'm going to send it to the back by clicking the orange button and send it to the backward. All right, so kind of like creating a trim effect, kind of cropping. All right, the next option is you might want to go to the file and click the export button. Say for example, we're going to export this as a PNG, maybe later. Now you see you have the option for the crop to content. All right, you have the crop to content wherein you have this option right here. Or click the custom where you want to crop that, and of course save it to your computer by clicking on the crop factor, click on download, and that's basically how you can manage to achieve a similar effect using the crop factor here on Lucidchart. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.